Hello, my name is Nate, and I am the Professional Development and Training Specialist here at Flat for Education. Today, I'm going to show off an extension that we have that would benefit anyone who's planning on making worksheets. This is not technically part of Flat for Education, but it does come as part of your membership. So, I'm in a Google Doc right now. This also works with Microsoft Word, but here, as you can see, I have some musical excerpts that I might be using in this treble and bass clef overview. Now, normally what I would do if I was before Snippet would be to write this out in flat and then screenshot, Snippet, like resize it and get it in there. Luckily, with our extension called Music Snippet, I can write my excerpts directly into my page. So to find Music Snippet, you're going to go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then type in the word Music Snippet. It should appear right here, and once you select this, it will appear on your extensions page. Clicking on Open will put it on the right side. Now, first and foremost, we're going to create a new music snippet. So I'm going to click into this space right here, and I'm going to add a new music snippet. I want a single staff, and while it loads, it's going to bring up the notation editor from Flat for Education that you're so familiar with. So in this case, I want to do my spaces. I want to do D, F, A, C, E, and then G. Let's go into the measure, the layout, and add the note head so it matches my previous example. Add to document, insert, and just like that, we have our example. But oh no, as you can see, I never hit save. And what's wonderful about the music snippet is I can click on it and hit edit. So I can go in and edit this snippet. I'll have to click a little bit less fast next time. So if I want my labels there, I go to Layout Settings, Note Heads, Note Names, back, and this time I'm going to hit Save. Now they're there, Add to Document, Insert, and there it is. Your snippets are also saved in a folder right here where it says Snippet Library. You can see all the snippets you've made. So if you are using Snippet frequently and plan on making multiple worksheets, they all exist here, and they do exist back here in your score library in a folder labeled Snippets. We hope you enjoy using Music Snippet. We'll see you on the next one.